welcome you to watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Synod College celebrates International Women's Day with special event. NEHU and DLSA celebrate International Women's Day with awareness and support programs. HYC demands suspension of controversial medical post advertisement. And CM responds to MLA's question on need for consultants in government projects. And now the news in detail. Synod College Shillong celebrated International Women's Day a day early on March 7th, 2025 through a special event organized by the Women's Cell and the Center for Historical Research. The celebration featured Dr. Ricky A.G. Sinkon as the chief guest, with Janita Mary Nonkanri delivering an insightful speech on the occasion. The event was graced by the presence of the college's principal, Dr. Gayreen Lingdo, faculty members and various other invitees. A highlight of the celebration was the launch of the book, Women Pathfinders of Meghalaya. The book, published and funded by Synod College, is a compilation of works by several authors under the leadership of Dr. Gayreen Lingdo. Edited by David Arnold Karshandi, it showcases the careers of prominent women from Meghalaya who have significantly contributed to society in fields like politics, education and trade. The event honored their impact on shaping the region's future.
So it's a thorough research work. They come kat by idang interview mo kala banya EP ba huni banai ban how April ro idon sa kataka his story. Ngi long concern hangni ko bang ong bang hikay mo ngadi historian nila de dang hikay hapo classroom dan ong iki shim iki textbooks of modern India. And especially the people ki India struggle for independence. Ngitip bang nangi hangne ngidon utirot sing, ngidon patogan sangma, ngidon ukyang nang ba. But kat no nangi dengi let siya mainland India, dengi keli kitu kibre don chite bakitip siya pang kijongi. De bengi pet at a national level kijongi kidang longkum ansang. De kum juhi la dengi siyang hapo state la jong, nganget na piru penyamanjur baki bon ki unsung heroes baki klammi ha any of the pages of history balatho the mangi local sangne lani any of the history textbooks balatho hapo national level laringi pek kum ki kot main textbooks ba ki bala contribute yakani ka India struggle for independence kum Bipan Chandra utho India struggle for independence Sumit Sarkar utho modern India Shekhar Bandyopadhyay utho from Plassey to partition A.R. Desai utho social background of Indian nationalism ngilaban name books after books and the pipet yek tiki slaj yang tiki kot kalong kabasosi ba ya utirot sing ya ukyang nang ba ya upatag patogan sang ba klem mention haki to kikot kibangi puli ontang hakakerdan jong ka high school lani kerdan jong ka college even ru hado ka masters level so kani kalong ka kabu bangan yo ban ong mo ya baka sotkaru kana simkiah lor kani buat kani ka NEP ngi bahikai history ngi kemen shikade e bala penrung ontang ya history of Northeast India and rementa kaladon ka history and culture of Meghalaya ya bangi yo lat man hikai Shapang Karijong Lajong.
Last question ba, kuno pi jet igini ki arpnyongot ki kanthai ki bala baki bala contribute your society.
Ladengi ong ban jet te labune na marngi ide kita ki researchers bangi pet om tang na surface level banajrong hendagi ida ngam jelio ban pet ba om tang itu iba mikmat hendagi associates jong kiro ki tre borba ngitip ladakade kanu arena te hakane nga device ban penmi ya kata concept note bangala tho hangta ngala kado ngala ai kita ki sub teams ki biong te nga hot for papers bikin one checkmat te kini ki para contributors ki badon lang hangne te ki arpun nyongot hangne ki ngi ai ki kata kala kata kabu bikin jet maki kita ki personalities bikin so maki bikin feature kani ka kwat then we submit ka abstract then we review mangi ka committee concern and then we call in them bikin om tang bikin chu ka paper and they been present ban defend but hantar bre bansa submit finally begin sabun bi hakar kom juga kot ika.
NEHU, in collaboration with the DLSA Riboy District, celebrated International Women's Day on March 7th, 2025 at Nongpo Community Hall. The event was attended by key figures including Meristella Marai, President of NEHU, I Ling Koi, Secretary of DLSA Riboy District, Dr. V. Shangpliang, and many women and girls from the region. The celebration focused on raising awareness about the legal rights of women and children, particularly in cases of abuse and assault. I Ling Koi highlighted the importance of protecting women's human rights and seeking justice in cases of discrimination. B. Marai discussed protective measures for women facing social, economic, or workplace discrimination. Attendees were encouraged to approach law enforcement and courts for support. Additionally, a free medical checkup for women was conducted with the assistance of Dr. V. Shangpliang and his team of nurses, promoting health and well-being among women in the community.
District Legal Services Authority, when one batai, ekijing dan kam jompi, ni assign ni pi dan ni ayah pi, iwe leader, iban ni assign bentar jompi. Shubor no bentar. Kita long community badan kampai bang. Di isolang benda syai tu kita ki social welfare, kita ki one stop center bentar. Pila badan tu hapok the district legal services authority. Nama kini ki social welfare di one stop center tu, ki grant ni ka application ni ai ki kawan hari ni supervise, but in ai bidari pi bangda kamisi. Kata kawe tu lada kita kijing ki civil cases national hal. Dan la betul pila abalan approach ini, but dia kata ni ai free legal services. Ini kita bagi ai ni kita kibar ni last scrutinize ha. Tengok ni syak omwa kita betul dalam sarkar ni kawan kinum le janaya kakam. Kata kabonde. Namarwa ini si pida badan hani mana ubenai ni scrutinize ki but ni petu ki cases but ki ki status jo case mana ki cases shubo kita ki cases ki ba ki criminal cases shubo maka ibashakam ro shubo ki la produce report nama ki pulit kimla should have ki produce ajil klam kajin bet na report. The lada ki produce report ki kin ong bandil la bathong pida ni kakashari ni ai pida ADP but kini ki pida biasa khado ban kot ka case bam ni level kam shipping karo ki dan kare ki cases ba teng ki dan ki pida ki bashuk kamu ya kata bakin pa ni pito ai ni kebaisha ayah kita dari laptop kita pada di report sini. Nama tim ni version China ya rumaki. Free legal services, kemudian free legal services kan ayah bentar kabarsi. Di nanti berkali-kali ham kaba ham thamai. Nama lesi buat ni yang majukan yang apa? Kerana ini dan habo kakor. Lada syarikat, nanti kita dapat kamcinya. Kabaya day kam waktu apa kata itu kam loss pila abang mereka mau office juni kadang hapo kasharihi ketika first floor district legal services authority kita di staff juni kita private ki applications yang kita badan scrutinize badan ai kita lada ngai day kahok banan tangga kita abang day ki case top lagi ki case kamkai he having the genuine cases.
On the evening of March 7th, 2025, the Education Cell of the Hnyotrep Youth Council HYC, led by Enlang Sawian, met with the chairman of the Board of Medical Services regarding a controversial recruitment advertisement. Sawian informed reporters that the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board had issued an advertisement for 2024 reserving seats for Khasi Jantia candidates. However, a subsequent advertisement issued last month converted the post to an unreserved seat, allowing non-local candidates to apply. The HYC leaders have called for the immediate removal of the new advertisement and the reinstatement of the original advertisement, asserting that the change unfairly opens reserved posts to foreigners. They demanded that the issue be addressed promptly.
Arjar absau kalau advertise kena post ka first advertisement kala buat tang ya ka tang kala buat hak ta reserve seat lani kata reservation seat tang ki khasi jantia ban apply kena ka position medical physics communication safety officer rai ka ba peningwa bat ka ba penkendet ingi kalong bangile i ba ministry tayo kata mentau sunem arja absan ya kejuk advertisement la advertise biang hak dingba kena ka Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board ya kini kejuk position keluar kami ke post akaba 8 kelapat ya katakan reserve seat kabalamang ya ki kena khasi jantia sya kataka ada reserve seat kabumut ba menta kini ke seat kabala reserve di khasi jantia yo bahak lang ban dam taki kena dani nam taki taki candidate ki beli Khuborjylla di belum eligible ban thum ban thapkam lani ban satung kum jata ki medical physics communication safety officer bat nakaliang sang ila dawa haging keren bat jin kenduk mentan bat ki buat IS Dr. Jerome Beda rengkat bagi doktor rumah di departmen ngini yo penyatai buat ya terba halor kani kamat hari nak kalian ke departmen kalau ba kani kamdei ba kadang kanu kejeng ya Shillong nak kalian ke departmen nak kalian ke board recruitment board ada pun advertise kani ke post lah Andrew Sin rai hakini Andrew Sin tentang license hakini ki license ki dan ki kena kasih jungi mah kasih jantai ki bela apply ki kena ki bela pas ya ka MSc Physics tambah kim dapat kibala pas ya kata ka medical physics but kemudian ya kata ka RSO lani taka radiation safety officer certificate mah mungkin syak tunggu taki MSc medical physics com radiation safety officer but deh lor kini kerong rem bana kalian ke department kamsim layo itaki eligible candidate rela dan tang itaki rei at present kadang ko ka candidate dapo asam kum ka jeng betai juga department ba kini ka kum kata ka medical physics ka badai kum ka radiation safety officer badai lor kini kerong rem bana kalian ke department kompansi ban penkelano unreserved seat kang ban pilihat pat kita ki candidate ki belum eligible namar ba kalian department kelai thuro ba ka hadum tamne ka kalian ka na
In a recent assembly session, Bright Starwell Marbanyang, MLA from Maulai, questioned the need for consultants in government projects, asking whether the youth of the state are not capable of handling such roles. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma responded by stating that certain projects require specific skills and expertise aligned with world or national standards. He emphasized that the government is focused on upskilling the youth of the state by providing them training from experienced professionals. In response to another question by Arden M. Basayomoy, MLA from Nongkrem, the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma highlighted that over the past 7 years, the youth's participation in such roles has increased to 30%, and with time, they will be equipped to handle jobs traditionally managed by consultants.
Why I am raising this question is that on one hand, we have a huge number of unemployed technically qualified youth in the state, be it engineers, MBA graduates, or graduates in agriculture, horticulture, etc. And on the other hand, we have so many consultants. So my question is whether our unemployed youth are not good enough or not up to the mark as these consultants who are working for the government, whether it shows our incompetence. If that is the case, why not train up our unemployed youths for a 6-month course or on deliveries since we understand that what is taught in university or colleges is different from what is expected at work. If our youth are to work as professionals, I believe that government can invest in these short-term courses, as most companies do for the graduate trainees who enter newly into the companies, or what they call probation training programs.
Sir, just so that we can get the correct perspective on what's happening. Sir, from the government side, as we understand, there are different roles and responsibilities which politicians have to work on and bureaucrats have to work on, so on and so forth, sir. Sir, keeping that in mind, we are today, sir, in a very, very competitive world. If you look at the kind of schemes that we are getting today, we are competing with one of the best in the country and the world. So just to give you a small example, there is something called the Challenge-Based Destination Development under Swadesh Darshan. And for this, the government of India opens up this challenge to state governments. And for this, we have to prepare DPRs with so many technical specifications, which sometimes is beyond our officials also, and therefore we get the experts. And because of that, so just want to share with you that the challenge-based destination development, Swadesh Darshan, because of the kind of quality of proposals we put up, Meghalaya managed to get 200 crores under this challenge mode, the highest that any state got. And that is how this challenge works. In the last 7 years, sir, we were able to bring in 13 externally aided projects. This we compete globally, sir. And there are World Bank standards, there are standards of ADB, KFW, JICA, so you name it, NDB, all of these are international.
On March 7th, 2025, leaders of the Meghalaya Physical Education and Sports Association, led by General Secretary Soni B. Wajri, urged the State Education Department to appoint teachers trained in physical education as per the Government of India's guidelines. The MPESA emphasized the importance of having qualified educators for physical education in schools and colleges across the state. In a meeting with the Minister and Commissioner and Secretary of the Education Department, the MPESA leaders were assured that their requests would be considered seriously. The state government, which has already committed to implementing the National Education Policy (NEP) in schools and colleges, promised to take action to address the issue, with MPESA leaders expressing satisfaction over the response.
Media bang belak mentep nakaliang jungi hak kecing kendu new commissioner secretary joka education department sa BJ menteri IS re habang lai kendu yu kalong ka tenat pa re habang lai kendu yu bengiyo jing tem nu kini ka de kalong ka thamai hakmat jong umtip ai phang kani ka physical education nomor ba ini ki officer ki batrai hapo education department ibat ki klama jing tip yu de onang lai kendu yu ulalong thamai lai song kumba sikenta tam madu tingla persngoi ki jing e ya ki kena ki papas ya kani physical education de ulak kali ngi kan ungut balapas ngi labu aspa sam tam balapas de ki klub kam jam kan de ngi lapat isu su kidan hakitu ki school ki ba thung da ki BA BSc MA ngi PU ngi lap isko yu de wangan sele ko badan kam de ngi shania e ka bon sale de ngi persngau ba kini ke jingle ke jing simkha ke jong kalong ko job kan kani ke jing sedang ke jing ye kendu ni kong jong ni badu kalong ko ka persutrat bat ke ba snuyo mensiam ngi WPW ai ba kini ke jing tre jong ni kumka association ni ai kubleru I ba kermen yuria I belong advisor jong ni bla simkha na kapor ko penyarap ini ki bala pas ke physical education ban poi hadu kani ka thong bangenyo penyakaran persya ban commissioner but secretary jongka education department publish board.
Ti haswa kan ni la angam kan jing tho ba ji tagi officer ai.
Oh ngila dap ai na Khubor ngila pan ki les ngila yo ki les ngila i ada klem don ka jing tho akiles ngimnut hi ban batai start te long sokawai ru katkum ka revision of pay ngila ni yo pan puli ngitep bakadon ka post ka jongi nrai kas nakaliang ka sarkar ni kerpat nakaliang ka asyan bakan le no khamkloi haka post ka bayde ba ka inspector of fiscal training aman ki DSU man barok ki district bat ka way hak trail com drawing master ki higher secondary school haki UP school bade bendan katum ka ROP revision of pay 2018 de ni babun ki school minta kim padan yang nibu jikeliru ya commissioner ba balai ya ka subject health education and physical education simlapel menu besim ni kata ka subject uru nakaliang jong uru umdan jiktep syapang kata buat ngila pesutu iu ba ki contents ki badan health and physical education kadai ka contents ka jong ki tu dipopuli ka physical education de menta menu besim ni kata pat ki song haki school menu ba school kile ki ai de kino hikai ki bakum no nrai kalong ka baklah kan de sanu kalau we ki kena pai ka national game menta kanwan ni kum ki Meghalaya Physical Education and Sport Association ni kwa ban sedang school laki school ngin sayok ki kena ki badan talent kombo ong catch them young watch them grow abang ngin hape yakin do udang kena grassroots de radang ngila yo ngila i kena ki badan talent ngin saa ki coach kan ki badan hati ha sports department ki coach ki train bah kan ki publish board.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.